Going on, baby? Like, comment, subscribe. We got another Mobb ride out. Can you believe it? Let me see if I can get this mic right. Hold on now. Hold on, y'all. It's all on the lip and stuff. Alright, we should be right now. Another Mobb ride out, baby. Woo-wee! Feel good out here today, too. What's good, bro? We outside, baby! Ooh, she got it blinged out. She got it blinged out nice and right. Yes, I'm about to get on a burnout. Okay, let's go, baby. Time to ride out. I like the gun placement. At least she got one. I like it. Alright, baby. Moving. It ain't so hot now. Knowing from the mess the city up like we always do. You know what I mean? Come on, get up in there. Boy on that KLX. KLR. Boy King She. Go follow him on YouTube. I'll put it below the video. Follow him. He out here in these streets too. Ha! Come on now. Come on now. Told him to give me one today, baby. Give me one today. You know? He broke his handlebar the last time, so we out here. Okay, get you one. Cops love us. I like it. Cops love us, baby. Let me close my visor so it don't, wind noise. Okay. Boys getting them up. Got the okay. Cut me off like that. Y'all see that? Gonna cut my back off like that. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're back by the stadium again. We always by the stadium. Okay. Back, baby. Miss me, so you know I gotta come back. Okay, they both tried to get one at the same time. Okay, get you one. DRZ? DRZ? It's a beautiful day outside, man. Especially to be on the bike. Okay? Okay, knee knocker. Big knee knocker. Got this lady on the back. They cruising. They cruising. They cruising.